Hello students, am I audible now? So due to some technical problem, there is connection loss. So students, we are studying this entrepreneurship practical. So we're going to just share that screen first of all. So screen share झाले students. Hello, screen दिसतंय का? Students,
Yes, sir.
So,
so we are studying this entrepreneurs one by one. So these entrepreneurs, they earn their millions the hard way through hard work, perseverance and dedication. So these are the different qualities. आपल्याला ज्या क्वालिटी बघायच्या आज तर त्यातल्या काही ह्या महत्वाच्या क्वालिटीज आहे. हार्डवर्क झालं, बिकॉज यू नो दॅट ऍज अ स्टुडंट or as a successful diploma engineer or as a successful person, I must be having all these qualities for succeeding me in my career. So before succeed my business also, as an entrepreneur, I have to start with some idea in my mind, and I have to start with the some new business. So hard work, perseverance. I must be preserved for my things. And one of the important quality for anybody, that is dedication. Means whatever the thing, whether it is academic things or whether it is sport like thing or whether it is some entertainment like thing, whatever your things you are requiring. So for everything, for every success, you must have that dedication. So now today we are going to study this one by one, these different 20 entrepreneurs. Is it clear? सगळ्यांना समजलं student? These are the 20 entrepreneurs. These are the 20 entrepreneurs which are going to give us different qualities from their businesses. त्यांनी त्यांच्या बिझनेस मध्ये कशा प्रकारे सुरुवात केली आणि कशा प्रकारे त्यांनी त्यांचा बिझनेस सक्सेस केला, आज आपल्याला ते बघायचं आहे फ्रॉम दिस डिफरंट 20 entrepreneurs basically, and they are mostly from some India also. There may be some outside the India, but mostly I have taken the different entrepreneurs from India only. Just we'll see that one by one. So now I'll start with the Mr. Narayan Murthy. So as there are computer students, they must be knowing not only computer thing, computer student, but everybody must know this Mr. Narayan Murthy. I think his book that and the legends of Infosys. We all know the Infosys. Infosys, one of the software company, one of the successful software company. So Narayan Murthy, hello student, आवाज येतोय का? हॅलो, हा सर.
Yes, sir.
ईडीएस प्रॅक्टिकल माझं मेकॅनिकलच्या मुलांचं नाही सर, चालू आहे. ईजे आणि सीएमच्या मुलांचं माझं बुधवारी नाही का त्या सरांच्या ऍडजस्टमेंट प्रमाणे मी नाही का मी घेतलं होतं एमबीएस प्रॅक्टिकल लिंक टाकायची राहिली माझी, टाक चालू आहे. ईजेचं आणि सीएमचं चालू आहे प्रॅक्टिकल. काय सॉरी, तुम्ही सर प्रॅक्टिकल घेणार नाही ऑटोमोबाईलचं. मी आता ह्या मुलांचं प्रॅक्टिकल घेतोय सर, आता ईजेचे आणि सीएमचे मुलांचं. बरं करून घेतो सर. हा मला लक्षात नाही आलं सर, एक मिनिट मला करतो मी जॉईन. हो ती टाकतो थोड्या वेळ, मी आता हे प्रॅक्टिस करतोय कंटिन्यू, मी लिंक टाकतो. हो मी मेसेज टाकतो लगेच. हम्म मी दुपारी लिंक टाकतो, मग एमपीआरची लिंक टाकतो तुम्ही. हो सर सॉरी, झालं तर मेकॅनिकल म्हणून राहिलं माझं लक्षात नाही. बरोबर, मी मेकॅनिकल म्हणून टाकतो बिलिंग, मला नाव टाकू, मेकॅनिकल म्हणून टाकतो बिलिंग लगेच. बरं ठीक आहे, बघा मी लिंक टाकणार. हॅलो स्टुडंट, स्क्रीन शेअर दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? हॅलो.
हो सर.
Okay, so we are studying the first entrepreneur. He is Mr. Narayan Murthy. He is one of the founders of Infosys Technology Limited. And in 1999, Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed in Nasdaq. By 2006, the company employed over 50,000 people and had a turnover of $2 billion. So, Murthy has always believed that honesty, transparency, and moral integrity are the key factors in business. So, it is very important. The first entrepreneur which we are going to study, that is a big legendary Mr. Narayan Murthy. He has started his career in software field. So there are many things in his life as a milestone which we can write in your first practical. Then after studying this first entrepreneur, we are going to study the next entrepreneur, that is 1 minute. So Mr. Shiv Nadar, again from some software company. That Shiv Nadar is the chief executive officer of Hindustan Computers Limited. Hello students, am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
And screen is also sharing. Huh? So that second entrepreneur which we are going to study is Mr. Shiv Nadar. He is the chief executive officer of Hindustan Computers Limited, HCL, that is in short, and India's largest infotech conglomerate. While working as an engineer with another company, Nadar wanted to become an entrepreneur by setting up his own business. He quit his job and launched his own company making office products, mainly copiers. So that is Mr. Shiv Nadar from HCL, that is Hindustan Computers Limited. He quit his job and launched his own company making office products, mainly copiers. In 1970, when IBM quit India, Shiv Nadar's HCL stepped in for IBM. So Mr. Shiv Nadar is there. So आपण पहिलं entrepreneur बघितलं Narayan Murthy student. Second is Mr. Shiv Nadar, and there are many qualities for every entrepreneur. Then we'll go for the next third entrepreneur, Mr. Tulsi Tanti or Mr. Tulsi Tanti. He is the chairman of Suzlon Energy Limited. बरोबर. आपण पुण्याला जाताना बघा सिन्नर घाटामध्ये जे वाईन मिल्स दिसतात, बघितलं स्टुडंट्स कोणी? That wine mills, they are from this company called as the Suzlon Energy Limited, a company that deals in a wind energy. In 1990, Tanti invested in 2 windmills and from there realized the enormous potential. बरोबर. त्या wind energy, non renewable energy म्हणतो जे आपण, that wind energy is having enormous potential. So that he has decided to use this wind energy and form his new company called as the Suzlon Energy Limited, or they are calling as the Suzlon Energy. That Mr. Tulsi Tanti. In 1995, he formed Suzlon, has made Suzlon Energy the 6th largest wind energy company in the world. So there are many entrepreneurs are doing such good business in wind energy, but in 1995 he's made the sixth largest wind energy company in the world. So again, one of the good entrepreneur for you all as a young entrepreneur. You must get motivated from these different examples. समजता स्टुडंट आपल्याला का बघायचं आहे वी हॅव टू learn these different qualities, how they are started from the zero condition and how they are make the successful. So it is very important to see these various entrepreneurs. So after Tulsi Tandi, we'll go for the next entrepreneur, one of the well known in our automobile field. बरं ऑटोमोबाईल फील्ड मध्ये बरेचसे स्टुडंट बजाजच्या गाड्या पण वापरत असेल. सो दॅट इज मिस्टर राहुल बजाज. He is the chairman of the Bajaj Group, and which is one of the top 10 business groups in India. His company has diversified interest in everything ranging from automobiles to home appliances. After the recession and stock market collapsed in 2001, and the Bajaj Auto is hard. So, Mr. Rahul Bajaj, learning from this hard condition from 2001, again the company reinvented itself and became a major success. So, Mr. Rahul Bajaj, one of the good leader in automobile field. So, after Rahul Bajaj, we'll go for the next entrepreneur. Then, Mr. Dr. Pratap Reddy. Dr. Pratap Reddy developed his first corporate hospital group called as Apollo Hospital Group. Bro. In our Nasik also there is Apollo Hospital at Aurangabad Naka, suppose, and that hospital group is formed by Mr. Dr. Pratap Reddy, who has first corporate hospital group in India called as the Apollo Hospital Group. He has revolutionized the India's whole healthcare sector and today has over 750 corporate hospitals throughout the country. The idea come to Dr. Reddy when a patient could not make it to Texas. त्यांना अशा प्रकारचे कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटलची आयडिया कधी सुरुवात झाली त्यांच्या डोक्यामध्ये, जेव्हा एखाद्या पेशंटला त्यांना टेक्सास सारख्या ठिकाणी नेताने आलं फॉर ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी अँड दॅट पेशंट वॉज डाईड अँड दॅट आयडिया कम्स फ्रॉम दॅट इन्सिडेंट. मग त्यांना असं वाटलं जेव्हा बाहेरच्या आउटर कंट्रीज आर हॅव्हिंग गुड टेक्नॉलॉजिकल गुड स्किल्ड ऑफ मेनी हॉस्पिटल्स, सो why could not in India also we can start such corporate hospitals. So he has started that group called as Apollo Hospital Group. Dr. Reddy created a medical infrastructure in India which made medical care more affordable and accessible for everyone. So after Dr. Reddy, we'll go for the next entrepreneur. That is next entrepreneur is she is lady from that biotechnology group called as her name is Kiran Majumdar Shaw. So Kiran Majumdar Shaw, she is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, the largest biotechnology company in India. Shaw started Biocon in 1978 in a rented garage space. नीट लक्ष द्या. She has started her garage in rented garage space. एक भाड्याच्या गॅरेज मध्ये त्यांनी सुरुवातीला बिझनेस सुरू केला होता. नॉट टेकिंग एनी बिग मनी फ्रॉम एनीबडी, जस्ट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम युअर बेसिक लेवल. आपल्याकडे ज्या काय कंडिशन्स आहे, व्हॉट आर द थिंग्स वी आर हॅव्हिंग, राईट. काल तुम्हाला सांगितलं मी लेक्चरला, यू हॅव टू मिनिमाइज अवर इनपुट्स. आपल्याला ऍज अ बिझनेस जेव्हा सुरुवात करायची आहे, सो स्टुडंट लेक्चर ब्रेक नंतर बंद झाल्यानंतर काइंडली join the lecture again on that same link. So student, Miss Kiran Majumdar Shaw started Biocon in 1978 in a rented garage space. Faced with a variety of problems and challenges since biotechnology was a new field and woman entrepreneur was very rare, Shaw overcome all entrepreneur barriers and made Biocon a success. बायोकॉन कंपनी काय आहे, बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी ग्रुप आहे काहीतरी, बरोबर. अँड दॅट बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी ग्रुप have the entrepreneurs. So it is very important to have these various successful path. Then next entrepreneur which we are going to study is, after this, then the next entrepreneur is Naresh Goyal. Naresh Goyal again from India. He is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways, India's largest domestic airline. After he graduated college, Goyal joined travel business. Means he has not directly started the business. He has started with some experience. He has taken the experience from travel business. Then by 1974, Goyal founded Jet Airway. त्यांनी सुरुवात केली 1974 मध्ये बाय फॉर्मिंग द जेट एअरवेज इनिशियली. आणि जेट एअरवे इनिशियली काय करत होतं, ओनली दे आर डुईंग द सेल्स अँड मार्केटिंग ऑफ फॉरेन एअरलाइन्स इन इंडिया. फॉरेनचे ज्या काही एअर ट्रिप्स होतात त्या फॉरेनच्या ट्रिपचं फक्त सेल्स करायचं किंवा मार्केटिंग करायचं, अशा प्रकारचा बिझनेस त्यांनी सुरुवात केला सुरुवातीला. अँड आफ्टर getting some good experience, after gaining some money, then in 1991 Goyal took advantage of the open skies policy of the Indian government and set up Jet Airways for operation of scheduled air service on domestic flights in India. So it is very important to see that Mr. Naresh Goyal has good business in airlines business also. So you can see that for any business there is no any fixed path. You can take that path in any field. There is no such limited area for any businessman. You can start as per your own choice. So it is very important to see that you have to have that interest in your own field. Then you can start it with any automobile thing. Entrepreneurship can be seen in various areas. So there are different areas we are covering from different area entrepreneurs. Then after Naresh Goyal, we'll go for the next entrepreneur, that is Mr. Anil Dhirubhai Ambani, son of Dhirubhai Ambani. After receiving his MBA, Mr. Anil Ambani joined the Reliance company, and he was responsible for India's insurance or entry into overseas capital markets. In 1997, the 100-year Yankee bond issue was launched under his command. After the split in the Reliance Group, Ambani formed his own company and became a chairman of several of the Reliance industry. As we know, in Dhirubhai Ambani's age, their both brothers are doing at together. But after some dispute, Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani both are get separated. They have started their business as a different level. So that Mr. Anil Ambani, well known in his Reliance software industry. Students, समझते ना रे? Hello, are you there? Students?
Oh, sir.
Oh, sir, namaste.
Yes, actually mechanical students are already.
Yes, sir.
1 minute wait. Mechanical students are already seen this practical, but again they will revise this. And by knowing these different entrepreneurs, अशा प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रातील वेगवेगळ्या फील्ड मधले असे जे बिग आयकॉन्स आहेत, जे बिग आयकॉन्स आहेत जे आपल्याला शिकायचे, त्यामुळे काय होणार आहे, यू विल गेट सम बेसिक क्वालिटीज ऑफ एनी एंटरप्रिन्युअर. त्या काय बेसिक क्वालिटी असतात ते आपल्याला प्रत्येक एंटरप्रिन्युअर तिच्या वेगवेगळ्या माइलस्टोन अचीव्हमेंट म्हणून सांगतो आपल्याला. So after Anil Dhirubhai Ambani, we'll go for the next entrepreneur. See students, after lecture is cut down after 40 minutes, kindly join you all. Okay. So that Dhirubhai Ambani son, Mr. Anil Dhirubhai Ambani, though he is not good business right now as compared to Mr. Anil Ambani. So Anil Ambani is having some software industry, and after Anil Dhirubhai Ambani we go for the next Mr. Aziz Premji, again from your computer field